Hello students, today let us do one construction. It is the construction of a circumcircle of a triangle using the GeoGebra. So first of all, let us have a look the circumcircle of a triangle. This is the diagram in which the circumcircle of a triangle is given. From this one we can define the circumcircle of a triangle as a circle which passes all the three vertices of a triangle is called as a circumcircle of triangle. So here as we can see triangle FDE is any triangle given, and there is one circle which passes through all these 3 points, that is F, D and E. That's why this is a circle which passes through all the three vertices of this triangle FDE. So this is the circumcircle of a triangle. Now we are going to construct this circumcircle of a triangle by using the GeoGebra. So let's move to GeoGebra interface. This is the GeoGebra interface. We have to do the construction of circumcircle of a triangle. So for that, first of all, we should have a triangle. So for that, we'll draw any triangle. For that, we use polygon icon, and we'll click anywhere on this interface to get point A, then point B, and then point C. And to complete it, we have to end it with the starting point A. So this is the triangle ABC we get over here. Now we have to draw the circumcircle of this triangle. To do the construction of this one, we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of any two sides of this triangle. As there are three sides of a triangle, AB, BC and AC, we can draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides of it. So we'll choose here side BC. Firstly, we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of segment BC. So to do that, we have here the option, the perpendicular bisector. On that, we are drawing a perpendicular bisector of BC. So we'll click on the endpoints of segment BC. This firstly on point B and then on point C. So line F is the perpendicular bisector of side BC. In the same way, we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of another side of this triangle. Let's draw the perpendicular bisector of side AC. For that, click on point A, then on point C. This is the perpendicular bisector, that is line G is the perpendicular bisector of AC. Now we have the point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisectors is in the exterior of a triangle. So let us fix that point firstly. So let us have this point of intersection. Now by using this point of intersection as a center, we have to draw a circle. So for that we have here one option, that is a circle with center through point. We have to click on that. Then click on point D, as we have to take point D as a center and we have to draw a circle. So click on point D and move this cursor so that the circle we get must passes through all the three vertices of this triangle ABC. Then click on it, we'll get this circle. As we can see, the circle passes through all the three vertices of triangle ABC. That's why this is the circumcircle of triangle ABC. So this is how we can construct the circumcircle of triangle by using GeoGebra.